Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. I am Devin Pentosi, your host. We are here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at the SCABSE conference, and we are so happy to be here with Cedrick Richie.
Hey, how you doing, boss?
Very good, Cedrick. Yeah. Cedrick is with us. He's in the Richland One School District, and he's here with us at Excel Learning Academy. We're so excited that you could be here with us today.
Man, thank you for having me. I'm glad to be here as well.
All right.
Absolutely.
Cedrick, tell me a bit about what brings you here to SCAPSE.
SCAPSE is a wonderful conference. I've been coming for over 10 years.
Wow.
It's a wonderful opportunity to merge with like-minded individuals and get some awesome skills and learn from each other and collaborate and helping the next generation.
Oh, wonderful. And I understand you're presenting here at the conference. Is that right?
Yes, I am. I'm presenting here. I've been presenting for the last 6 years or more, but I'm presenting it today as well.
Okay. What are you presenting on?
So it's on equity-driven leadership and using data to enhance students' experience.
What does that look like?
So it looks like being very intentional, using data not as a tool to punish but using data as a tool to reinforce our beliefs and making sure that every child is seen and that equity is across the board and making sure that students are not labeled and that we are using our best as educators to make sure we have high student achievement even when it doesn't look promising.
That's great. And what kind of achievement have you seen, Cedrick?
So in my program with Excel, we service at-risk students, students who are not on track to graduate or who statistically would have a lower chance of graduating. And we use culture building and equity to make sure that we assist those students with on-time graduation so that they can have a better quality of life once they leave high school. And we've been very successful with that at Excel, and we're proud of it.
Do you know the percentage, for instance?
Oh, for sure. Our graduation rate over the last 5 years has averaged 98.6%. We have outscored all state testing for EOCs. Our 5-year average for our Algebra 1 is 87%. Our English 2 is 88%, 61% on biology, and 62% on U.S. history over the last 5 years average. Wow. And all of those exceed both the state and the district averages. So we're taking students who are off the beaten path and we're getting those students prepared, and we're having success with those students just by changing the culture and changing the way we view it.
Cedrick, that is amazing. What is your recipe for success there? Because good grief, that's wonderful.
Right. So it's culture. We believe that the students can.
Okay.
It's amazing. It's amazing what you can do when nobody tells you that you can't. And the students come in, we partner with our families, we engage our students, we have high expectations, we set the bar and we meet them where they are and bring them up. And so it's about a culture. It's everybody working together. It's not my way, it's not their way, it's our way. And it's a belief system.
That's wonderful, yeah. Cedrick. Do you have anything you'd like to share with the SCAPSE community?
Absolutely. Keep on doing what you're doing and keep on making sure that we are setting the bar high for the next generation. We have to make sure that these students are being successful, and it's not all about our numbers, but it is about the students and the lives that we touch. So just keep doing the good work.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much. Again, that's Cedrick Richie with principal at Excel Learning Academy in Richland One County School District. Thank you for joining us today, Cedrick.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.